What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing like my go-to glam everyday makeup tutorial. I mean, like, that's what kind of video it's gonna be, like a little glam makeup tutorial. I asked Twitter. If y'all do not follow me on Twitter or any of my social medias, it appears at the beginning, like down here at @jheart_ on Twitter, Instagram, and at Codename Mystery on Snapchat. But so I asked my Twitter. I'm on Twitter more frequently than like Instagram or Snapchat, but I'm always like, I'm still on Snapchat, so if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, so I asked you, where's my phone? Okay, so I asked Twitter and they say, let's go to Twitter real quick. Yeah. So I asked Twitter and a whopping 44% won my go-to makeup look. Now, like, I do not wear makeup every day because I go to work all the time, and I don't wear makeup at work. But like, this is like my makeup look, like if I'm going somewhere, like out with family, yeah, you know, like something like, just like if I'm going somewhere, you know, because I usually, like, I don't know. So if that's something you guys want to see, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this video, and y'all already know what I'm about to say, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. If this is your first time seeing me, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Royal Flush family here on my side of YouTube. You do not want to be a part of the 60% of people that watches my videos and y'all not subscribed. So come on, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification button right after that, because I noticed that a lot of people are not getting my notifications. So please, please, please hit the bell right next to that, y'all, please. And at any point in this video, if you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay guys, so I'm back and I did my brows off camera, as you can see. But yeah, so I'm about to just get started on my primer. And for primer, I'm going to use the Cover FX blurring primer. If you guys have been watching my videos in the past, y'all would know that this was a favorite of mine before the ColourPop All-Star primer. So, and by the way, my skin is moisturized and washed and it's cleansed and stuff. I been did that like an hour ago. So I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. If y'all like knew anything about my channel, y'all would know, like, this is my favorite foundation, period.
Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period.
Nothing else to say, like, period. Period.
This is like my favorite foundation in the drugstore because it's so full coverage. Typically I would use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, but I don't want to use too much of that. That shit was too expensive. So I just didn't like the way that the Real Technique sponge was blending out my foundation. Like, why was it doing that? Did they change like how, like, what they did with they sponge? So I'm just going in with this beauty blender because I did not like that one bit. Okay guys, so now that the concealer is all blended out and stuff, I am going to take, why am I always losing something? I'm always losing something and it's upsetting me highly. Where is my stuff? Okay, I'm about to take my Peach Perfect setting powder by Too Faced. This one right here, which is my favorite. If y'all don't know, if y'all don't have this powder, y'all definitely need to get it. And I'm going to set my face with this. So let me find my mirror. I forgot I'm actually like still recording. So I'm baking in the oven, y'all, and I'm about to take my LA Girl Pro Face Powder in the color True Bronze and just take that on a big powder brush and just pack that everywhere. So I basically just bake until I complete the rest of my face. So I'm about to take my Morphe fan brush, which is the Morphe 143. M143. I'm going to take a product that I haven't used in a minute, which is the Morphe Bronzer palette in Celebutant. And I haven't used this in so long, but it's so good and I love this stuff. I've been using this for like months. Like, if y'all, of course, I got a lot of new followers and subscribers, so like a lot of you guys really don't know, but I love this. Like, if y'all do not have it, I would say pick it up. It's really a key. It's really good. I like it. And also I'm going to take another oldie but goodie, another relic on my channel, which is the Pure Sculptor palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. If y'all do not have BoxyCharm, y'all are definitely missing out. It's literally the best. I heard it coming out with a BoxyCharm Plus. I will definitely be picking that shit up because I love BoxyCharm. I get it every month that I can. I think this next month I'm probably not going to be getting it because my bank account is kind of not right now. This is literally my go-to y'all, like that I always do, like if I'm going somewhere. I'm gonna take my Morphe 8W blush palette, which is literally so good. I'm taking the shades MUA and Unapologetic. No, I'm not adding blush on right now. I'm gonna wait. Take my butter bronzer. I do not know how much that got, but I snatched my nose and I put some bronzer in my crease of my eye. I'm going to be right back, y'all. Okay guys, so I'm back and I just added on some false freckles, contoured my nose, and put on some blush. I don't know if I did that in camera already. If I did, oh well. And I also set my face. I set my face with the ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray. And I'm going to just highlight my face. And I'm actually going to try something new on camera, which is going to be, where is the highlight? I need to start setting my stuff out, cause, okay. And I'm actually going to try the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter, which I got from CVS. And I was like, I seen the Physicians Formula stand and I was like, oh my God, I gotta try this out. So I'm going to just put that on because my face is already set. So put that right here. Oh my God. And for lashes, you guys, I'm actually going to be using the Dodo lashes in the style D301s. And you can definitely, I do have a commission code with Dodo lashes. It is JHeart, all caps. Y'all can use it. The link will be down below. These lashes are literally amazing. So I'm about to put these lashes on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just put on the lashes. Once again, these lashes are from Dodo Lashes. You can use my code JHeart for 10% off any Dodo Lashes purchases. They are very inexpensive lashes. If like, they range from like $5 to $12, I think, like their lashes. And they're really, really cute and really flirty, at least these lashes that I have on now. And for lips, I'm going to take the Bazare Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nuke and use that. It's very pigmented, like all I'm doing is patting. You could just leave it like this if you want to, but I'm going to take the ColourPop lipstick in the shade Quickie and pop that on top. And for gloss, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video on my natural everyday makeup. It is full coverage if you guys are looking for full coverage. And yeah, so like it just, I don't know, like it's just really cute. I've been really like enjoying putting false freckles on for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I just been like really enjoying it for some reason. Like I just really just don't know. And like this, like I'm so glad you guys requested this look. It's very cute. I'm actually going to go take pictures in the sun now that I have the sun-kissed everyday makeup look. And yeah, you guys, once again, I hope you guys like this video. So that is pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I'm so glad you guys requested this look. If you do not already, please follow me on Twitter, where I do a lot of polls where you guys actually control like what I do with my videos. So y'all should definitely, you know, follow me on Twitter. And also yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right before you go, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button as well. Please don't forget to hit that button, y'all. And with that being said, I will see y'all at my next video.